Governor Eustachio Taki Persopini.
Pasensya kayo, medyo atitog, tikit kumet, tatatamit tiyal daw ko. But anyway, umuna nga kablawan, tinumutibiyang ni Justice Lucas P. Bersamin. Kaya ang kumet liplipatan, hindi kinatwak na nagkamkampanya ni Congresswoman Joy Bernos. Kaya ang kulipatan, nagiti nang tayo, itilinag kental na itintayo pinagbubutos. General Magalong, PNP, General Riveri, General Soriano, Colonel Rosad, and all men in uniform. Of course, ang celebrar ti misa tatay nga papadi ng panguluan ni Apo Bishop Kausyan. Thank you, Apo. Kani Atty. Balmes, ngayon si Provincial Director ti Comelec, katinagan na kanya the little big lady of Abra. Iginipadak ng elected officials. Palubusan na kapo nga may ibkas, itimesa, paluduwada, kang kumalipatan met, tasyak namin mahiligak ti history, ni Bang Beida Banyes, nga puyo ako, no signo ni Beida, iso ti ako, ti Don Julio Borbon, na naggobernador, nagkongresman, kiniso ti mesa, instrumento no apay, nga da probinsya ti Abra, tayo na ti gobernador Apo, idagtak der ti probinsya nga kasan independent province. Ma'am Beida. Kaya damat na ko pa'y malipatan dito'y pamilya, iti don na Virgilio Valera, ni Bingboy, ni Ellen, dato'y Apo, ibagak ka na kay Met, tasyak namin, kastikunak, namutalyawan ti nagkapuam, awan ti papanam. So kapuna, iawat ko na gito'y Apo, kita puri gini ang tuturay, di 1940s and 50s, Apo ti Don Virgilio, Bingboy Valera, and Ellen Valera. And of course, di kiti pamilya, natalito kita. Kaya ni Mrs. Kumarubi, yan ang subsubaybay kanya, nang ibagbaga, nga mga sumsumbatan deta programa TFM Kurana. Thank you, Ruby. Kaya kita na po matarito eh. Thank you so much for supporting me. And of course, Mayor Dominic Valera, kaya ni pamilyana ni Manong Dick, kaya na kayamin na po, padang elected officials, kakadwak ni serbisyo publiko, patpatkek nga taga-Abra, yawat ko ti kablaw ko, na imbagal daw tayo, nakapiyag, pinagpiyag, kinagyaman ang amin kada kayo, Apo. Let me not forget to thank the Lord that I have again been given a chance to serve our people. I am overwhelmed with the enormity of the honor you have bestowed upon me, the magnitude of your support, and yet magnified still by the exceptional circumstances of this victory. I have been inaugurated twice before, and both have been remarkable occasions. Ngayon, isang sakayan dito ay Mundaway, kaputi duwang rason. Umuna, itatangal daw, kitsan laing nga may papan, iti panangabak ko akas yung gobernadoryo. No di kat ibaligi ti amin nga Breño. The Breño voters who have courageously stood their ground and actively engaged for the protection of their rights to suffrage. Nagitipadak na kandidato, tinaglabas ng eleksyon. Perception that the Breño politicians also speaks the language of dignity, and most especially fortitude in the name of peace in the province of Abra. Tinaglabas ng eleksyon, babayan, pinagkaykaysa, kaya pinagpininulong itong kalmesa, nagbaligi tayo, managunod ti baro, nga pakasilitaan iti probinsya ti Abra. For the first time in decades, this province saw a peaceful election. It was historical feat. We were only able to achieve because we were together as one. This inauguration indeed stands on the profound achievement of this province. Today, we celebrate the beginning of a new chapter in the supremacy of the will of the people. Second, as you all know, this inauguration marked my third term, ushering in the last 3 years of a 9-year term. The job of steering this province is both a consuming and rewarding experience, and which I shall always be grateful for. It was never my plan to become a governor. I was handpicked by fate, so to speak. But it was a job we have undertaken nonetheless with all our heart and might. Nagserbi tayo nga napasnek ken si pakumbaba in the name of the greatest good for a greater number of the Prenyo people. Thus, we commence my third term with profound inspiration and optimism, with reinforced faith on the limitless possibilities of what we can do together, and a personal mission to do even better.